To make a statement neck piece, take any sehra that a groom wears in his wedding. This one my husband wore in our wedding, so thought to do some DIY. As the length of the sehra is usually to cover the face of the groom, so I will cut it short. These beaded strings are usually attached to an embroidered band. Here I am gonna remove this band and half of the beads of the string. Once done, I will attach it to a thinner border band to make a choker and not to choke my neck. Initially, I did not think to use the same embroidered band, but later I cut the width of the band and used the same and pasted over it. At the base, stick bukram to secure the strings with the band nicely. Finishing its outline with thinner laces from the embroidered band only. Now let it dry overnight, and once it's dry, cut the extras from the neck piece. At the end, put a hole. I'm using a nail and hammer to make one at both ends so that I can put through the cotton strings to tie the neck piece. Doing some leftover finishing. And ta-da! It's ready. Here it is looking all dazzling and beautiful.